Today we will discuss place value and rounding. Let's go! What is place value? In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Here's an example showing the relationship between the place or position and the place value of the digits in a number. So we're going to start from right, moving over to the left. So we have the ones position, which is represented by an O. We have the tens represented by a T, hundreds represented by an H, thousands represented by TH, and 10,000s represented by T and TH. Now, let's talk about rounding. What is rounding? Rounding means making a number simpler, but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate, but it's easier to use. So an example would be like 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70, because 73 is closer to 70 than to 80. But 76 goes up to 80. Guys, now we're going to try some rounding together here. So we're going to round, and we're going to fill in the missing intervals on the number line. So what's between 40 and 60? So we know this is going to go by tens, so we know that is 50. So 50 is right here, right? And that's where our number 1 is. Let me see if you guys can see that. So that's where our number 1 is, right here. Kind of, anyway. So we need to round to see what it's closest to. Is that 1 going to be closer to 50 or closer to 60? If you said 50, you're correct. That looks like it's going to be about 52 and be rounded to 50. So you can put that. Let's take a look at number 2 here. So number 2. Let's fill in the missing numbers on our number line here. So 60, 70, 80, 90. So it's going to look something like this. Now, what do we think? That looks kind of like an 88 to me. So I'm going to write 88. But is 88 closer to 80 or is it closer to 90? Looks closer to 90 to me, so we're going to round that up to the nearest 10 and make that 90 to the nearest 10, remember, because these are all by 10s. So you guys did great with that one. So let's take a look at the number line right here for 3 and 4. So we see something that says 300, 500, 800. So let's take a look here. It looks like these are by hundreds. So let's try to label this. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, right? So it's going to look something like this. So right here is where I've labeled that number line. So let's take a look at number 3. Number 3 is over here. So our star is probably at about 190. So we're going to write 190. And would you round that to be closer to 100 or is it closer to 200? Looks closer to 200 to me. So we're going to write 190 can be rounded to 200. So it'll look like this. All right, let's take a look at number 4. Let's see here. So number 4, it's between 700 and 800, right? Looks like that's at about 790. So I'm going to write that. So we know that that is closer closer to that 800. So we know that can be rounded to 800. So it's going to look like this. You guys can see that. Okay. And now I left these bottom ones blank because I want you guys to try to do some independent practice since I showed you how to do 1 through 4. So you guys only have to do half of it by yourself or with a parent. So you guys have got this. I'm so proud of you. Good job reviewing place value with me today and practicing and learning about rounding. You've got this.